Just a few hours ago, the unboxing of 3 colors of the Galaxy S24 Ultra got leaked just 24 hours before launch. Here's the titanium yellow, and here's the titanium violet. I didn't have the chance to get the video of the third color, unfortunately. And now let's wait for the Unpacked event tomorrow at 1 PM ET and 11:30 PM in IST. And please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video, and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one.